Alright, what is going on, guys? Let's hop into some more HackerRank here. And if you're new, I just want to say check out the first link in the description. You will find a guide how to get internships and jobs in tech. Now we're going to look at this challenge here, find the runner-up score. And in HackerRank right now we're ranked 1.5 million in the world. So let's see if we can get up higher. So, given the participant score sheet for University Sports Day, you're required to find the runner-up score. You're given n scores, store them in a list, and find the score of the runner-up. The first line contains n, the second line contains an array A of n integers separated by a space. Sample is going to be 5, and then you have 2, 3, 6, 6, 5. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. So we can use we can do largest equals sorted. Sorted array reverse equals true. Would that work? Print a second. Largest. Your output, expected output. String. -1. Would it be -2 maybe? Nope, we're still printing out the largest, okay. Okay, that's weird. Okay, we'll do for loop then for x, or sorry, for I in array. And then we'll have largest equals that, largest equals second largest. For I an array, if I is greater than largest, then largest equals I. If I is greater than largest, largest equals I. Okay. And then num. There has to be a quicker way to do this. Let me go ahead and use a little AI here. How do I find the second largest number in a list using Python? using the sorted function. Yeah, you can simply just do sorted, and then sorted numbers -2. Okay, so you can literally just do that. Okay, let's just do that. So just do sorted nums equals sorted, and we can just put the array there, right? And then we'll do second largest equals sorted nums -2. Okay, so yeah, we don't have to put the parentheses, remove the parentheses. No response. Oh, because we're not printing anything. Sorry, okay. And then we'll do print second largest, yeah. And we get 6. Yeah, we get 6. There can be duplicates. So you can remove the duplicates, okay, and do it that way. Can you just use a for loop? So let's see the for loop solution. Okay, so this is what we need. So we're gonna dissect this here. Alright, so yeah, okay, so for num in numbers, you mean array? Yeah, for num in array, if num is greater than largest, then second largest is equal to largest. If then largest is equal to num, else if num is greater than second largest and num is less than largest, that means that second largest is the number. Okay, let's see if that works. Okay, so in this case, I think a for loop is better here. So it is going to be O to the n time complexity. But basically what it's doing is it's looping through the whole array. And then if the number is greater than largest, it becomes largest. Okay. And then set the largest value to second largest value. The number is now the largest value. Okay, so this is how it works. So we're looping to the entire array. If the number is greater than the largest, it becomes actually, so we don't get rid of that. Okay, if it's greater than largest, you will set the largest value, like whatever it was containing before, and set it as the second largest value. And then largest takes on the number that you found that was greater. So it just keeps going it and it just puts it through, okay? And this is where it breaks. So if number is, so if num is greater than second largest and less than largest, then that number is the second largest. Okay, that makes sense. And then you're just printing out that. Okay, that makes sense. That actually makes sense. So I'm gonna put all of this I'm gonna put all of this in comments, and we're gonna try to write it from scratch without seeing it. So we'll have large lar equals sec equals, we'll do this. Okay, and then we'll do for nums in array. We will do if the num, yeah, we'll just call it num. How about that? If num is greater than largest, then we will set the second largest equal to lar. And we'll set to lar is equal to num. Elif num else if the num is greater than second largest and second largest is less than largest, right? Or I think it's, yeah, if num is less than second largest and sec is largest, that means that is equal to num, right? Am I tripping? Okay, no. So yeah, yeah. So num is equal to num, and then we'll print out C. So I think that did it. So this is what we have. Let's see if that works. And we have because we put that in the for loop. Sorry, okay. Let's try that. Okay, perfect. So that works, and then we'll go ahead and submit the code. So I kind of did it. AI had to, of course, help a little, but yeah, basically that makes so much sense. So you're gonna set largest and second largest to a very small number. You're gonna loop through the entire array. If the number is greater than the largest, you set the second largest equal to the largest number that it had before, and now you're making that number the largest. And then else, if the number is greater than the second largest and the number is less than the largest, then you can put the number as the second largest and then print the second largest. There you go. Fantastic. And yep, we got it. You are now 25 points away from that one. Okay. Not bad at all. And then the next video we'll be taking a look at that. But let me see something. Let me see our rank. Should be around 1 million. 1,300,000. Not bad at all. Let me see. Easies. Next one will be nested lists. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.